In this video, we are going to show you how to add nodes in CorelDRAW. Now, to do this, you need to have a shape, mostly a triangle or a rectangle, right? So anything that has, corners, I can do a circle, but mostly we want to use like a square. So let's create a square like so. And then once you have your square, by default, it's going to be highlighted. You want to go click on objects here on the main menu up top. This pop-up will appear, and you want to click on convert to curves, right? Or control Q, like so. And then you want to click, instead of your pick tool, you want to click on your shape tool, like so. It's going to turn into a blue square that has some nodes on each corner. Now, to add nodes, you want to highlight one part, like so. And add node is going to appear here. There's also delete nodes if you want to delete some nodes. So just click add node. As you can see, I'm adding a lot of nodes as much as I want. You can also delete nodes, right? There you go. So that is pretty much how you add nodes. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.